Today we're only gonna need one dish. Let's get started. First, choose 3 cornices to build the base. Choose the ones with more twigs for better support. Make sure you trim them to appropriate lengths and cut them straight. Try to hold the 2 cornices in place first and add the 3rd one later on. Try to first make sure that they're balanced and secured before adding other materials. You may also add more cornices to increase the volume if you want. Next, we're gonna add a glory lily like this. Then we're gonna add an electric blue spider lily. Be very careful when you hold its stem because it's very delicate. Now it's time to look at your arrangement from different angles and make appropriate adjustments to make sure that it looks good from all sides. Last step, we're gonna add another glory lily just like this. And now you have completed a no equipment floral arrangement. If you're interested in more videos of my work, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!